The journey of a global icon begins here, in vast silos that house the premium flour required for millions of crusts. A sealed, pneumatic transfer system moves raw ingredients directly into the facility, ensuring zero contamination from the outside world. Water, purified through multi-stage filtration, meets the flour in a controlled environment to initiate the perfect dough hydration.
Essential minerals and enzymes are atomized into the mix to optimize yeast activity and crust browning.
Kinetic energy transforms simple ingredients into a complex gluten network, giving the pizza its legendary chew and structure. Automated precision takes over, dividing the massive dough blocks into individual units with surgical accuracy. Patience is a key ingredient. Cold fermentation for 24 hours unlocks the deep, complex wheat flavors inside every dough ball. The dough is now primed. High-speed rollers simulate the touch of a master chef to create the perfect pizza disc. Strategic aeration prevents uneven bubbling, ensuring a flat, crispy foundation for our premium toppings. Our proprietary tomato sauce is applied through a precision spray lattice, ensuring every bite is balanced and flavorful. Digital mapping ensures every ingredient is placed with mathematical precision, creating a balanced flavor profile in every slice.
Real mozzarella cheese flows like white gold, creating a rich, melting blanket over the fresh tomato base.
Speed and symmetry define the topping stage, where hundreds of pepperoni slices are positioned with robotic speed.
A final dusting of aromatic herbs adds the signature scent that triggers the senses long before the first bite.
The tunnel oven is the final crucible, where intense convection and infrared heat forge the perfect crust. In just minutes, heat transforms raw dough into a golden, crispy masterpiece, ready for the world.
Speed meets precision as high-grade steel blades divide the pizza into perfectly symmetrical slices in a single stroke. The iconic blue and red packaging is formed around the product, sealing in the heat and aroma for the journey ahead. consistency in every delivery. Our digital weighing systems ensure that every customer receives the exact amount of premium ingredients they expect. Massive robotic precision organizes thousands of units into a high-density storage matrix, ready for global distribution. The countdown begins. Our dedicated logistics fleet maintains a strict cold chain to deliver the foundation of every Domino's pizza. From raw grain to a global icon, every step is a testament to industrial excellence and a commitment to perfection. Transparency in every step. From the factory floor to your front door, real-time data keeps you connected to your meal.
Thank you.
The final destination of a global industrial marvel. A moment of shared joy, powered by precision engineering.
And the audio captures a lively atmosphere with happy laughter and cheerful conversation among a group of friends.